Hey people, so this is my son eating octopus. Ayush, how does it taste? Really? Can you give me a vegetarian equivalent? Okay. No. Tastes like bhel puri. Okay, eat it, please. This is how it looks. It's a cute place. So my son, he ate shrimp, he ate crab, and he ate an octopus just now. So this is a seafood festival. You ate chicken and mutton also? Really? I saw you eating chicken. Mutton also was there. Oh God, 5 different types of non-veg. Prawn, shrimp. Prawn and shrimps are the same. Okay, eat it. Finish it, Raja. Yeah. A magical journey. Chaat, pasta. Okay, please eat it. Okay.